Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Zoom has a new feature that came out for Breakout Rooms. This came out at the end of October in one of their updates. So if you want to get to it directly, I will have chapters down below. But before I do this feature, I just wanted to explain Breakout Rooms and the 4 different ways of doing a breakout room. So when you're in a Zoom meeting, that is the main room or the main meeting room. Breakout rooms are just smaller rooms that you set up. 3 examples: if I'm an educator, I could put some students in the math breakout room, some students in the biology breakout room. If I'm a company having a company retreat, everyone's in the main room, but then I could break out HR, break out the accounting people, the marketing people. I could also, if I was having a conference, allow people to go to whatever breakout room they want to after the keynote speaker is done. So there are 4 ways to put people in breakout rooms. 1, automatically. You're already in a meeting, you go hit breakout rooms, you just hit automatic. If I had 20 people and I said I want 4 rooms, it would put 5 people in each room. If I said I wanted 5 rooms, it would automatically assign 4 to each room. Method 2 is manually. I could manually put people in rooms, so maybe I want 6 people in one room and 4 people in another. Method 3 is to allow people to automatically join whatever room they want to. That is a fairly new feature that came out in October also. I have a video on that. All my breakout room videos are below. But method 4, that's today's video. Regardless of the method you like, you've got to turn breakout rooms on by default. So that's in settings. I'm on zoom.us. It is in meeting advanced. You could also just do Control F and type in the word breakout. And when I go to in meeting advanced, here is breakout rooms. I've already turned this on, just so you know this. It says reset. Breakout room is off by default, so turn it on. That's why it says reset, but here's the key to this one. I've got to allow me, the host, to assign participants when scheduling. That means when scheduling the room. So of the 4 methods I just gave you, automatic, manually, let them do it themselves, this is the one you do before the meeting. The other 3 you can do during the meeting. Save. So let's go schedule a meeting and see if this works. Meetings. By the way, I'm in my free account or basic account as Zoom calls it. So this does work in the free or basic account. I know I'm going to get that question. The answer is yes. Schedule a meeting. To save time, I'm not going to fill out this meeting details. There's my basic account. Down here at the bottom of the screen, meeting options. Breakout rooms pre-assigned. That sounds good. 2 different ways to do this. 1, I'm going to show you both. I'm going to import from a CSV file. This is where you download the template. I've already downloaded the template. I clicked on it, downloaded. There's 2 columns. One says breakout room, meaning it wants you to type the name in column A. Column B, it wants the person's email address that you want to assign to that room. So just 2 columns. Here, I'm going to hit cancel. Here is what this file looks like. I've already filled it out. It is a CSV file, comma, separated value. Here were the 2 columns at the top. I didn't change them. Over here in A, when I downloaded it, said room 1, twice, room 1, room 2, and then room 3. I changed them to HR, accounting, and marketing. And then I typed in these email addresses, which I just made up. So here we go. Import, I've already downloaded it. I could drag and drop that file, but I'm going to go grab it. I should end up with 3 breakout rooms: accounting, marketing, and HR. And I should end up with 7 people, and I do. If I forgot to add someone to the CSV file, I could add them right here with no problem. So that one is pretty easy. If you want to rename a room, You click on the name of the room on the left, then you click on the pencil to rename it. So there's that method. Method 2, so I saved this meeting just to do another meeting and show you this. Here we go, method 2, meetings, schedule a meeting, again, down at the bottom. Breakout rooms pre-assigned, I'm going to create the rooms myself. Hit the plus sign, what's the name of the room you want? It calls it Breakout Room 1. Again, I could come in here and rename it. Add participants. Sure, you want another room, why not? Breakout Room 2, you start putting participants in there. I personally find the CSV file so much easier to use. It's up to you though. I appreciate your time. So there are the 4 methods I just discussed on how you can manage breakout rooms. It works with free, it works with paid. Make sure you turn on breakout rooms in your settings first. If you have any questions about this video, please put them in the comments below. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day.